Have you been looking for an easy way to create a multilingual website? Webnode might be just what you're after. Welcome to Website Tool Tester, where we review website builders all day long so you don't have to. Launched in 2008 in the Czech Republic, Webnode claims to have over 40 million users worldwide. Its value proposition is similar to that of other website builders: ready-to-go templates and an easy-to-use editor. However, there's one big difference. Not only is Webnode's platform available in over 20 languages, it also allows you to build a multilingual website without the need for any coding or plugins. So, does Webnode speak your language? Let's find out as we take you through the pros and cons in our video review. Let's start by checking out the templates. You'll find close to 100 templates for blogs, business sites, portfolios, online stores, and more. The designs are on the simple side, but they are modern looking, and most importantly, are all mobile responsive. One thing to keep in mind is that you won't be able to change the HTML or CSS of your template. Any design changes will need to be made via the visual editor. So let's take a look at that now. For the most part, Webnode's editor is pretty easy to use. Within the template, you just need to click to make changes to existing elements. For example, to edit text, just click and type away. Some elements can also be moved by clicking and dragging them into position. To add new page sections, hover to where you'd like to add your new section and click the plus button. You'll find a whole range of content that can be added, including columns, galleries, price lists, and more. Changing site fonts and colors, however, isn't quite as straightforward. That needs to be done in the settings menu, and you're pretty limited in what you can customize. On the plus side, SEO settings can be defined for each page, including blog posts. You can edit titles, meta descriptions, and URLs. On higher level plans, you can also save backups of your site and restore them if needed. However, one inconvenience we found is that you're not able to preview the mobile version of your site. To view it, you'll either need to pull out your phone or resize your browser window. Overall, Webnode isn't quite as intuitive or flexible as other website builders we've tried. But if a multilingual site is a must-have for you, you might want to take a look at this next feature. Unlike other website builders, Webnode lets you build a site in multiple languages quickly and easily. In fact, adding a new language to your site just takes a couple of clicks. You can make edits to the new language version of your site, just as you would with the original version of your site. Switch between different languages by simply selecting the version of your site you want to work with. The additional languages will reside in a subfolder of your main domain. In our case, that's /es/. From an SEO point of view, that's a great solution. One thing to note is that, from this point on, any changes made to your original site won't automatically get added to the new language versions. You'll need to update these manually. So far, so good. However, there are a couple of things we'd like to see Webnode improve on. Firstly, it lacks an app store, which can make adding extra features to your site a little more complicated. If you want to add integrations to your site, such as a newsletter sign-up form or social media feed, they need to be added by embedding HTML code. It's very convenient that Webnode also features an online store. The store works fine for smaller e-commerce projects, but wouldn't be our first choice if e-commerce is at the heart of your business. Shopify and Wix are more powerful in this respect. It's also a little disappointing that it doesn't support product translations. Finally, while it's fantastic that Webnode offers support in 20 different languages, it's a pity that there's no live support. Webnode only provides help via email with a maximum turnaround of 24 hours. There's also the knowledge base, but unfortunately, it's very limited. Now that you've seen what Webnode can do, let's check out how much it all costs. The great news is that Webnode actually offers a free plan, which is completely fine if you don't mind using a Webnode domain. An ad will be displayed on your site, although it's pretty well hidden in the footer. Webnode's lowest paid plan, Limited, only costs around $4 a month. It lets you use your own domain, but will still display the Webnode ad, and also has very limited features. We think that the Standard and Pro-Fi plans are the most useful. Both give you extras such as email accounts, site backups, membership registrations, and, of course, the ability to set up multilingual sites. If your site is going to be on the bigger side or you need more than 2 languages, Pro-Fi would be the plan to go for. WebNode has plenty of impressive features, but also a few drawbacks. So let's finish up with a quick recap of its pros and cons. Multilingual sites are definitely one of its key strengths. There's no other website builder that offers such an easy and affordable way to display your site in multiple languages. The editor is mostly easy to use and is available in over 20 languages, as is support. On higher plans, you get access to some great extras, such as site backups and membership registrations. But you are limited in what you can customize, in terms of both design and added functionality, especially as there's no app store. The online store lacks some important advanced features, such as automatic tax calculations and shipping rates. Finally, the limited support options might be less than ideal if you need a bit of extra help. Thanks for watching our WebNode website builder review. If you need more info, don't forget to check out our in-depth review.